Paul, so from May 19th to the 21st, Lasermet will be joining the Department of Energy LSO workshop in Livermore, California. So you will be there, Paul. Yeah,
Yeah, I'm good.
that's pretty good. I think one of the things that we're really excited about for the workshop is the new product launch that we're doing, which is what you can see on the screen. This is the ICS Magellan. Paul, can you tell us more about the ICS Magellan?
Yeah, so the ICS Magellan is a new interlock system we brought out specifically for complex laser interlock systems. It has its own touchscreen interface, but the really important thing to understand with this is that, as with all of our safety interlock system technology, all of the safety functions are carried out by hardwired relay-based systems. So having got that out of the way, so that people aren't thinking this is a computer system doing an interlock, because that's not. It's similar with the ICS 9 and CALM. You've got your hardware underneath, and you've got your software sitting on top of it, not involved in the safety functions. So it's designed for complex laser interlock systems, and it has 6 individually switchable interlock outputs, which can switch individually from the touchscreen of the ICS Magellan. So in this system here that we're looking at, what we can see here is that this is set up. So it's got 2 different modes. It's got a high power mode and a low power mode, which are enabled by that swipe card that he's doing there. He's just touched it on the high power mode. Yeah, he's gone into high power mode, and he's put that swipe card into the side of the Magellan there. That's enabling it into high power mode. So it's enabling a different output on the ICS Magellan. So this is just an example of a particular way in which the ICS Magellan can be used. This is for a very high power laser, and with this particular system, it's got, because this is a very high power laser, we're also using our laser jailer, active laser. So it's integrated with our laser jailer system. And the way the particular customer wanted it is that their laser's got a high power mode and a low power mode, which have got separate interlock connectors. So we are activating those at different times. So when you want to operate it in low power mode, you take the swipe card and touch it on the applicable swipe card activator there, and then slot it into the card receptacle on the Magellan. And that then you arm the system, and that allows the laser to operate in low power mode. Under different circumstances, you can operate it in high power mode, and you use the swipe card on the other swipe card activation.
Thank you, Paul. So, guys, if you want to see Paul will be there at the Department of Energy LSO workshop from May 19th to the 21st in Lawrence Livermore. So, Paul, have fun at the workshop.
Yeah, we'll do. Really looking forward to it. Very excited about it.